Today we will be making rock candy. Let's go! In the solution I am making, the solvent would be water and the solute would be sugar. We will be using 3.5 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water to create a saturated solution for which the sugar will be just enough to dissolve in the water. If we were to add more than this amount of sugar, we would create a supersaturated solution and no more of the sugar would be able to dissolve. If we were to add less than the amount, we would create an unsaturated solution and there wouldn't have been enough to dissolve and later form sugar crystals. In the solution, as the sugar particles are dissolving, the sucrose molecules in sugar start separating from each other because they are attracted to the water molecules. The water molecules bind to the sucrose molecules and pull the sucrose molecules away from the crystal and into the solution. We are heating the solution because by increasing temperature it causes more sugar to dissolve in water. After heating the solution, we allow it to cool down because a decrease in temperature causes a system to generate energy, attempting to bring the temperature up. The formation of chemical bonds always releases energy. Therefore, more sucrose molecules would join the crystals in an attempt to increase temperature, which will go on to form sugar crystals, creating rock candy. Top right there, there's more sugar crystals forming at the top, and there's also at the bottom is like most of it is all crystallized, and you can see the rock candy forming right here. Same goes with this one. There's a lot more crystal on the top, and then since it was starting to get stuck to the bottom, I just like wriggled it out a little bit, so that's why you see some more at the top. The same goes with this one, more crystallization at the bottom. And actually, so that it doesn't get stuck, like the very top, so it doesn't get stuck, I'm going to be taking out some of the crystals at the top forming, so that way it can still continue forming onto the stick and it won't get stuck inside the jar. So yeah, and this is also something that the girl I watched recommended to do, so I'm gonna do that.